Hello. So tell me about your hair.
I do have kind of straight hair, over processed.
Yeah, so I'm gonna show you something that's gonna help you add a little bit more texture and movement into your hair without having to sacrifice the integrity. So you're not going to damage your hair, it'll take less time than you would think, and it'll just help you kind of zhuzh in the morning. Have you seen the Farrah before?
I have not.
So it's a barrel curling iron that has a self-turning system here with a comb and panels that push and hold the hair against the barrel. So it has 5 different heat settings, and we're gonna have it at the lowest one. Just because of the integrity of your hair, we wanna kind of preserve that. So see, it just spins. So this kind of eliminates the whole glove motion, so you don't need to worry about burning yourself, you don't need to worry about damaging your hair, making it super easy and functional for you to achieve the same look.
Nice.
Can you see how this would be much more damaging than the Farrah? There's 2 heat plates here, so every time that you go to curl, imagine that pressure here.
Right, it's more susceptible to damage for sure.
With 2 very, very hot plates, it would just melt your hair off. With a Farrah, you don't have to sacrifice the integrity of your hair. You get so much volume, you get so much texture.
Yeah, it's great.
Damage, no damage.
I think I would go with this one. So much volume. Nice.
Now you can have your magic hands at home.
Yes.